Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Has your internet been down and you're working from the car and your personal hotspot seriously saves the day? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn the personal hotspot on your iPhone on and off. And it's going to be short and sweet. So first you're going to go into settings and then scroll down and tap personal hotspot. Now, if you don't see personal hotspot right away, here's where it's hiding. You can go to settings like we just did and then tap cellular and then tap personal hotspot. Once you're on that screen, you're going to toggle to allow others to join. And then you're going to tap the Wi-Fi password and set a password you actually remember because you'll need it when you connect your other devices. Now, grab your other devices like your laptop or your iPad and join it like you would any normal Wi-Fi. Look for your iPhone's name in the Wi-Fi list, tap it, and then enter that password that you just set up. Now remember though, hotspots can burn battery fast, so if you can plug your phone in while you're using it, that would be great. And that's honestly the best and easiest way I know how to fix this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.